Hello everyone, welcome to today's episode Time. Today we will be talking about time. Time can be very short, like a second or an hour. Time can also be very long, like a month, a season, a year or 10 years. It is important to keep a track of the time so that we can plan how to use it well. That is why you have a daily timetable for school where it says what time you have to attend your classes. Even buses have a timetable to show what time it has to reach the bus station. Now, can you tell me how many hours there are in one day? That's right, there are 24 hours. And did you know that every day is divided into 2 halves? That is why the clock takes 2 rounds in a day, starting from 12 a.m. to 12 p.m. and then from 12 p.m. to 12 a.m. completing one whole day. But what is this AM and PM and when do we use it? The words AM and PM are used right after the time so that we know whether it is morning, afternoon, evening or night. Are you ready to learn when to use them? Great. First, let us see when do we use PM. We use PM from 12 in the afternoon till 12 midnight. For example, I eat at 1 p.m. I go to play football at 5 p.m. And now let me explain to you when we use AM. We use AM from 12 in the night till noon when the clock strikes 12 p.m. For example, I wake up at 6 a.m. I go to class at 10 a.m. Now that we know what makes a day, we should also know what is a week. 7 days together will make 1 week. Do you know all the days in a week? Repeat with me. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Great! 4 weeks together make 1 month. Can you tell me how many months there are in 1 year? That's right, there are 12 months in a year. They are January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. There are also different seasons in 1 year. Who can tell me how many seasons are there in a year? That's right. There are 3 seasons in each year. There is summer, where the temperature is hot. There is winter, where it is cold. In between summer and winter, there is monsoon, when it rains. Repeat after me. Seasons, summer, monsoon, winter. When we want to know the day and date, we look at the calendar. The calendar is a chart which shows us the days, dates and months in 1 year. Repeat after me. Month, date, year, calendar. Wow! Now that we know so much about time, can you all think of some activities you do every day? And what time do you do them? Let me share my routine. I wake up at 7 a.m. I eat breakfast in the morning. I go to school at 9 a.m. I eat lunch in the afternoon. I go to play in the park at 5 p.m. I take a bath in the evening after I play. I eat dinner at 8 p.m. Whoosh! So many things we do in just one day. All the activities we do in one day form our daily routine. Now, let us learn about some prepositions of time. When we talk about time, we must remember three very special words: in, at, and on. These are prepositions of time. Prepositions of time are the words you use in a sentence right before you talk about time. Are you ready to learn when to use at, in, and on? Okay, let's go. We begin with at. This is used when you are talking about the specific time. For example, I sleep at 10 p.m. I do homework at 7 p.m. I go to school at 8 a.m. On. This is used when you are talking about a day or a date. For example, my birthday is on 10th January. I have to go to school on Monday. I am going to my grandparents' house on Saturday. In. This is used when you are talking about a part of the day or time like morning or season, and also for months, years, or any long period of time. For example, I visit my cousins in the summer. I play basketball in the evening. Christmas is in December. Now, I will ask my friends some questions. Let us see which one of the three prepositions of time she uses in answer. What time do you wake up in the morning? I wake up at 6 a.m. Which year were you born? I was born in 2002. When is Independence Day? Independence Day is on 15th August. During which season does it get cold? It is cold in winter. On which day do you play badminton? I play badminton on Wednesday. When do you eat dinner? I eat dinner at 8 p.m. What time do you brush your teeth? I brush my teeth at 7 a.m. Today, we all learned so much about time. I hope you all have enjoyed today's class. So, goodbye till we meet again, and remember to use time wisely.